Hey, welcome to the video. My name is Janelle. Since we're now into the middle of February, I just wanted to do a little project that had a bit of a Valentine's theme to it. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a crocheted heart. So this is the heart in question. These are super quick and easy to make. They only take about 2 minutes and they're done in just one row. They're also pretty versatile. I have just tied the ends of mine into a little loop to make it into an ornament, but you could also use them as applique and use the ends to stitch it onto a hat or a sweater or something like that, or you could string them all together to make a garland. So now let's switch to an overhead view and I will walk you through the steps for how to make these. So to make my heart, I am using a red worsted weight yarn and a size 10 or 6mm crochet hook. But you can use whatever weight of yarn and size of hook works for you. So I'm starting with a magic circle or magic ring. And if you don't know how to do that, I do have a tutorial, which I'll link up here and in the description. So from there, I'm going to chain 3 and then do 3 triple crochet. And then 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 1 triple crochet. And then we're just going to do the opposite down the other side. So I'm going to chain 1 and do 3 double crochet. And then 3 triple crochet. And then a chain 3. And then I'm just going to slip through my ring and then pull the end to tighten. And then I'll just snip off the end of my yarn and slip that through my last loop. Pull that tight. And that's the finished heart. So from here, as I mentioned, there are several things that you can do with these. What I did was just left the ends and tied a knot at the top to use as ornaments. So you can just hang it from whatever you like. You could also use the ends to sew this onto something and use it as an applique. Or you can weave in the ends and connect a bunch of them to make a garland. So there's lots of different options for what you can do with these. Use your creativity and come up with something fun. So that's all there is to it. Super easy, right? I've made a few in different shades of red and pink, so you can absolutely mix and match your colors. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what colors you used and what you did with the hearts. Please remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I will leave a couple of other videos here if you want to go check those out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye!